Log into your Food Nerd POS account for instant, secure access to all restaurant management tools. Efficiently manage your business and save time. Access reports directly from your intuitive dashboard. This central hub delivers critical insights for informed decisions and business growth. Navigate to reports and select the Employee Commission Report. This gives you precise earnings data for accurate commission payouts. Reports instantly offer employee name filters. Just click the filter button for advanced search, effortlessly customizing your insights. Quickly pinpoint your reporting period by adjusting the from date. Gain clear insights into commission data across any time frame, supporting more accurate financial decisions. Configure your custom time frame using the to date, then hit search. Immediately receive personalized reports, delivering key data directly to you. Upon loading, the report instantly reveals total amounts, individual commissions, and payable figures. This transparent data clarifies employee performance and earnings, fostering trust and accountability. Review the comprehensive totals, including paid and payable amounts, at a glance. You can also export these reports in various convenient formats like CSV, Excel, or PDF for easy sharing and efficient record keeping. The Food Nerd POS Employee Commission Report streamlines tracking team earnings. Enhance payroll fairness and efficiency, boosting your business's success and clarity.